Hello, and thanks for joining us for another part description video here at Cluster Repairs UK. Here we present the spare part touchscreen for the 2012 to 2021 DACIA Sat Nav onboard computer display. If your display has issues like a touchscreen that's slow to react, intermittent, or has stopped working altogether, this is the key part you'll need for a professional repair. Here's a look at what a faulty display with total touchscreen failure looks like. This replacement is sourced from authorized European distributors, built to the highest quality standards, and includes a 12-month warranty for peace of mind. Now, take a look at the result after a proper repair. The touchscreen is working like new. This is the exact same part we use in our own repairs. While our repair services come with a lifetime warranty, this quality, genuine part is trusted to fully restore your touchscreen. One of the biggest advantages when purchasing from us is the 14-day free access to our in-depth trade-level tutorial video. It's a step-by-step guide designed to help you complete the job confidently with a professional finish. With almost 4 decades of industry trust, 2 UK bases, and award-winning support, Cluster Repairs UK is the name professionals rely on. If you need any more help or advice, just hit the Ask Seller a Question button below. We're happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.